Happy Friday, parents. This is currently take 3 of this video as I am struggling with this today for some reason. My computer first decided to go to sleep and then my technology froze. So let's see if we can get through it a third time. Today is January 22nd and we had another phenomenal week in 3rd grade. I just love these kiddos so much and I am loving watching all of their academic growth, but just their overall personal growth as well. They have made so many great improvements and are working really hard on new friendships and just developing as students in the classroom and as people in the world, right? And so I'm just really happy to see so many of the things that they are doing. This week in reading, we worked on analyzing 2 excerpts from the text of Wonder. We are actually doing Wonder right now for our class read aloud, and they are loving the book. You'll have to ask them about some of their favorite parts. They are finding a lot of humor in it. Wonder is a great text also for the excerpts when we were able to look at things like character development, themes, and determining our point of view from that of different characters in the text. So they did a really great job. For math this week, we worked on a bit of a challenging cumulative test. It was cumulative 1 through 12, which means it was testing everything we've done from the beginning of the year till now. They really persevered through it and worked really hard, so we're really proud of the way they kind of just put their heads into it and really put the feet on the ground and ran. So we appreciate that from the kiddos. For writing this week, we continued our opinion text type, where we focused on adjectives and providing strong words that really help to persuade your reader. And for science, for core knowledge, we are finalizing our habitat unit. So we'll finish next week and we'll assess next Friday. And so we'll play some fun games leading up to our test, and they will be able to use their 2-column notes and graphic organizers they use in their interactive notebook. And so I think they're going to do really well. Other than that, just make sure you read the email. There are 2 signups, one for Valentine's Day and one for optional spring conferences. So please let me know if you have any questions on those. I hope you have a great weekend, and thanks for everything you do.